Hi, this is James Stone from jamesstone.com, and in this video I'm just going to show you a quick trick that I'm using on my website with Thrive Leads and Thrive Content Builder. So on the right here I have a landing page that I've created, and I have these two embedded lead gen things that are basically built in the Thrive Content Builder. But what I found was another technique that allows me to do a couple of things. One, you basically tie into all of the power of Thrive Leads, so you can get the number of form impressions, the number of conversion, A/B test different types of forms against each other, and so all sorts of cool things which you normally can't do. And so this is just the standard lead gen option that's over here. But if you go down to Thrive Lead Forms, you'll see I've got this ZF Blueprints form. The way to add this is to go into your Thrive Leads dashboard, and under this lead shortcodes, click Add New, and I'm just going to call this Foundation Crash Course. Add lead shortcode, and it's a little bit hard to see here. I'm going to go here and then edit it by clicking on this. I'm going to create a new form, and I will just call this control form, create form, and I will edit the design. And basically what I'm looking to do here is to look for something as close as possible to what I was using prior. So I think I'm going to go with this one because it looks the most similar. It's one on the top and bottom. I'm going to hit choose template, and then I'm just going to modify this so that it looks similar to my existing one. So I'll get rid of the border, just maybe change this so it says, let's see here, the components, the submit button. I'm going to change this text to send me the first lesson, and I'll change, let's see here, max width, font size 22, and I'll go to the colors, I'll choose the color, background color, and I have a saved color here. And I might go back, refine this later, but this is just really quick and dirty, so I can edit and add a new form in. Okay, so it looks pretty similar. It's not exact, but I could go through and kind of change this out. But I'm going to go and leave the default state, and the final thing that I'm going to want to do is connect this with the service that I want, and so I'm using Drip. And the final step is to save changes here. We could go back perhaps to our lead pages, but now what I can do is I refresh this page, so I make sure I get all the new settings in. I can go down to Thrive Leads form, and we'll see this new one called Foundation Crash Course. Everything shows up at the bottom by default, so I'll just drag this up to kind of replace this one and remove this one, and I will do the same thing here. So I'll delete this one, make a copy of this one, and just drag it up. There we go, and I'll hit save. Now what's nice about this, what I've done now, and if I go back to my dashboard, and we go to the Thrive dashboard, and I'll go to Thrive Leads. What should happen as we have people accessing this form and converting, and by converting means that they have submitted the form, I'm going to see this information increment. And just like anything else in Thrive Leads, we could add different types of forms, test different colors, different text, all sorts of different things to see if it has an effect on our conversion rate. So this is just a quick tip. I found it very useful on my site. It takes a little bit more time to set up than just kind of throwing in the standard lead gen, which is right here, component from Thrive Themes Builder, but gives you a lot of option, and more importantly allows you to look at the number of impressions you're getting for forms, also allows you to see what kind of rate that you're converting at, just like the rest of your lead forms. So that's it. Hope you found it useful. Thank you.